We thank God for such an opportunity that He has given to us to enter into the Holy of Holies and glorify His name and to honor His name. Wherever you are, I want you to connect with me as we lift the name of the Lord God Almighty higher. Erelia tabandelish kabrande debo iliakuja dia paradia tadaba yada da broske lian tada boshede erelia kabande de kushada. Come on, begin to speak the language of the Spirit. Eralita da come, enter into the mood of worship. Rebelia suka da deliata eralia kabrambe. Come on, climb higher. Eruselia taba iande de deko komrande lia kaba. Talk to your Father, your Maker, your Redeemer.